Yo, what's up guys? This is your boy Nando El Barber. Here today to bring you guys an unboxing. Open it for you guys real quick. The SPX blade. I also have the P3 blade from them as well. I have it on my gammas and hitters. They're complete hitters. So first, to start off with the box, the packaging, the way it is. Honestly, the box itself, it just feels good quality, really good quality. Go ahead and open this up. Ever since, I say ever since, correct me if I'm wrong though, or it's 3versince, just correct me. Like I said, SPX fade blade, user manual, and here are the goodies. The SPX fade blade. I'm gonna do a quick installation on this, on how to install them. I'm actually gonna be putting these on my wall cordless seniors, 5-star of course. Real easy to put on, it's no difficulty at all. Alright, now you guys saw my fade blade. Let's see what else is actually in the package. Sticker. Actually have one of these already on my barber box. Some grips that I actually ordered. I'm actually gonna put these on my wall seniors and then put these on my gammas. Probably put some on my cordless detailers as well. Look real good. Let's see what else I actually have in here. Alright, so something else in here. Oh, another sticker. Some screws. Most likely so you won't use the original ones on the wall seniors or any type of clipper that you're gonna put the blade on. And then this, oh, it looks like a replacement. So with in the box, so it comes with your top blade, and then it comes with the ceramic blade, the fade blade. So this is the ceramic, and it actually comes with an extra just in case, you know, something were to happen. It's so dope. So I love this brand. Like, first time I got it, I actually got it at the 2019 Barber Expo in Vegas. So it was pretty cool to actually pick one of these up. I was super stoked. Alright guys, so I'm going to teach you how to replace your original wall senior blade with the new SPX ceramic fade blade. What you got to do first is just remove these two screws. Just one. A little harder right there, so we can get more pressure. There we go. And you see it coming apart. Just hold on to it so you won't drop them, you know. You never know if you might want to put these back on or something. Alright. So here's the top one. Just take that off. Here's your cutting blade. Just pull it right off, just like that. Alright, so now you just want to put this on, the new ceramic blade. So what you want to do is, you see this little area right here? It's going to go into here. So what you want to do, go onto it, kind of put a little pressure. There you go. Now it's on. It looks amazing already. And I haven't even put the top one on yet. Alright, so now Go back in there. Let's get that fade blade off. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. So what you want to do, actually, I'm going to use this. I'm going to use actually the screws that they gave me. I want to have silver screws on them. Alright. Take out the screws. You guys can't really see them. Right there. So I'm going to be using these screws instead of the original silver screws. So you want the black part that says SPX, of course that's going to be the outside part. Just go ahead and put this on. Make sure I line it up right where I want it. Go ahead and put the screws back on as well. And now I'm just going to kind of hand tighten them to hold down the blade where I want it. I'm gonna screw them in, but I'm not gonna screw them all the way, just because I still want to zero gap these. And make sure they're perfectly straight and not. There's that one. There's that one a little tighten down. Now I'm just gonna make sure I have them zero gap. So right now they're not zero gap, so I need to bring them down just a little more. Got it to where I want it. I'm going to tighten them all the way. Alright, and there you go. SPX blades on a wall senior. Alright guys, if you guys are interested in copying a pair of the SPX ceramic fade blades, I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description below. Also too, shout out to my boy Mar Cuts, More Than a Barber hats. Hit up his Instagram, I'll put in the link below as well. Limited time only, these hats are dope, man. I'm a snapback lover, bunch of hats. It's probably one of my favorite hats right now to rock. If you can tell, I haven't got a haircut, so of course I'm wearing the hats. So make sure you check out his Instagram page. Again, it's Mar_cuts. I'll go ahead and leave it in the description below.